Yeah.
Now, imagine losing your family photos financially. Scary. For just $50 a year, your award-winning American-made cybersecurity that protects your private devices. That's less than the cost of one coffee a month for peace of mind. Reliable, affordable, American-made. Visit PCMag.com today. We're basically announcing the first policy to make America the world capital in artificial intelligence to dominate and to lead the world in AI. Trying to get the forefront of artificial intelligence, but some news out of China about something called DeepSeek. The headlines read, China DeepSeek AI apps and US textile fueling DeepSeek uses a global technology reckoning with DeepSeek spells doomsday for the big and other AI science. Let's talk about this. Markets in the first week of the Trump administration. Joining us tonight, Fox's chief political analyst, Rick Neal, and Charles Payne, Fox Business. Charles, the markets, you have jumped today, especially tech stocks. Is this an overreaction? I think it's an overreaction, but listen, these stocks were at
Well, what I'm doing, Dottie? Yeah. I'm cooking again. Yeah. My little girl. Yeah, my little girl. Yeah.
Johnson is in the Lee County Jail on $8,000 bond.
Alright, Josh, what would they want to do that for?
Sponsored
Get
by
out of
the
the house,
Johnny
break in the
Adams Law
house.
Firm.
All right, the steady rain's moving out of our area tonight. The clouds are lingering, and there may be a little bit of light drizzle in some spots, but we're going to see high pressure out to our west, building in behind this frontal passage to our south, and that's going to change things out there tomorrow. Brighter day coming your way. Tonight, though, we have the clouds around, but I think they'll
and channel 22 on antenna. It starts Wednesday.
pick out. Notice where our winds are coming from as we head through midweek.
Oh,
From the
yeah,
west
what
and
the weather
southwest.
we
So
doing?
cold air, that's been pushed to the north of us, and so that will hold off. Now this feature will kick out and head north and eastward, but really it kind of pulls a front through here later in the week. But at this point, it doesn't look like anything too significant. It is a rainmaker for us, but notice this. This is Friday. Those winds are coming up from the south and west, and so we're warming out there, upper 60s, even low 70s will be possible. That system moves on through, and notice this, over the weekend, the cold air is still cut off to the north of us. We have more of a west to east flow, kind of zonal there for us, so it doesn't really allow cold air to get in here. Same thing as we headed toward Monday of next week, and really I think we can extend this until about the first part of February there, as we're into the week. This is around the 6th. We're still dealing with the really cold air to the north of us, more of a zonal flow here. And so we get a little chance here to thaw out after last week. Remember that? How could we? That was a brutal week out there for cold. Here's Thursday of this week. The rain's out to our west. Notice these winds are up from the south, so that's why I'm thinking upper 60s to around 70. Here it comes. This will be the rain. This comes through on Friday. We're about midday here. We could have definitely rain, but maybe some rumbles of thunder down here toward the south and east with it. But again, I point out, it doesn't look like anything too strong or severe with this system coming through, despite the big warm-up. Then it moves on through. We do get a brief little bit of temperature drop there for Saturday. And I think by the time we get into Sunday, the winds switch right back around toward the south, and so we'll warm back up upper 60s to around 70. So at this point, it looks like a good-looking weekend coming your way. A lot of sunshine on Saturday. Good-looking day on Sunday as well. For now, we keep it dry for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll spike there on Friday for the rain to come through, and then we'll dry it out late in the weekend on into the first part of next week. Watch these numbers. This is refreshing. If you're a warm weather fan, 61 is the average high for this time of year, so we're going to snag that or above it tomorrow. And look at the trend here, upper 60s, and yes, we do have the potential to snag that 70-degree mark for a couple of days, and heck, we could do it again Sunday into Monday. So that, after seeing last week, remember, highs only into the 30s, well above that as we head on down the road. So for now, it looks like tomorrow morning we'll start out with a little thicker cloud cover south and eastward. Notice the temperatures underneath that cloud deck, not as cold. You get out from underneath that, it's mid-30s, so a little colder there. Skies will break up with the cloud cover, so we'll cool a little bit more. Then we get into the afternoon, check that out, upper 50s to lower 60s with that west to east wind flow. So we're cutting off the cold air, and we're warming it up a little bit. Hey, I got to look at that exclusive 8-day forecast in just 10 seconds.